At Menu, our overriding objective is to introduce more men to quality grooming. Education, retail and support are all key to moving our industry forward. Shave Facial is a one-day course. The right choice of products is equally as important as the skills to remove the beard. Include into the mix the process of exfoliate, deep cleanse, tone and condition, and you can see that shaving professionally is more than just hair removal. On our course, we'll get you shaving on your first day. Training is key for everybody. Ladies hairdressers that want to improve or learn men's skills, barbers that want to learn how to cut longer hair. It's a 2-day course. We learn a lot about the theory of men's cutting, looking at and creating haircuts from longer hair through to aggressively short hair. We work with blocks for the first day, but we always finish with the live models. We also run an introduction to Menu and the Mentor programme. This gives an insight into all things Menu, including our mentor programme for education, our products and retail support, as well as live demonstrations including hair cutting and shave facial techniques. It's a great way of seeing what we have to offer.